Nag-enroll na yan si Carl, pero ngayon ko pa yung masasagot yung question niya. Sorry na, B. Yung question niya dito is Facebook ads, Google ads, and LinkedIn ads po ba kasama? This is with regards to or PPC or pay-per-click media buying. I just wanted to answer this question pa rin kasi nakasave talaga siya sa mga babalikan kong comments at die. I have over 500 plus comments na nakasave. The plan is for me to be able to answer each of these questions hopefully soon. Try my best. Hindi ko lang talaga mabalikan lahat. So sorry na, Carl, kung super delayed tong sagot na to. But let's answer it anyway for others who haven't decided yet. Yung media buying kasi, it falls under the umbrella of digital marketing. A lot of people, actually parang kanina umaga lang yun, may nagtanong sa akin na meron po ba kayong class ng Facebook ads? So, my usual response would be, bakit Facebook lang? Girl, pag-aralan mo lahat kasi kapag ka, halimbawa, lalong-lalo na marunong kang mag-run ng ads sa Google, madali mo nang mamimimic or mamimirror yung strategy mo sa paggamit sa Meta. So, anything under Meta, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. And kung nag-work yung strategy na yun, pwede mong gamitin siya for A/B testing sa TikTok ads. Alam mo yung strategy mo sa isa, pwede mong subukan as in trial and error kung ano yung mag-work sa iba't ibang platform. Halimbawa, nung ginawa kong SEO dito sa TikTok, kaya nag-grow ako, ginagamit ko siya ngayon sa Facebook ko and it's growing by 1,000 every single day. So, yung ganong atake yung maganda-ganda. Yung aming media buying, we call it PPC, it's only 999 pesos. And ang pinakang priority kasi ni Gracia is makover yung Meta at saka yung Google. And then if may capacity pa, kaya pang ma-discuss, i-discuss din niya yung TikTok. And marunong din siya ng LinkedIn. What I love about Grace is that she has been amazing in handling all of our clients' accounts when it comes to running ads. And meron siyang experience na mag-run ng ads pagdating sa medical, which is one of the toughest parang niche or industry pagdating sa media buying. Anyway, if you guys are interested to join, na-move yung class neto So sa April 19 and 20 na yata siya. But all you have to do is go to my profile, click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos, i-open nyo itong page na to. Dito sa page na to, hanapin nyo lang under Open Classes 999 PPC Media Buying Level 3. Level 3 means meron siyang kasama na internship. So, pag-click nyo lang nung PPC Media Buying, lalabas na yung pinakang form para mag-enroll doon sa class. Again, ang next class natin is I think 3rd week, 4 till 8 p.m. to, 2 sessions. Pagkatapos meron kayong 2 linggo na internship. So, you will be doing tasks na ginagawa ng isang media buyer. You'd also have access sa ads, I think. May binababaguhin si Grace, I believe, sa batch na to. But, I hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!